I'm going to walk you through how to create a really simple voting bracket. So here I'm logged into console and I scroll down to the bottom of console, and this is how I create a new campaign. So I'm going to create a size 4 bracket that lives in voting mode only. Keep in mind, in our help section, we do a deep dive on all the different types of bracket campaigns and other types of campaigns you can run through our suite of products. So definitely refer back to that. In this case, I'm going to create a voting demo, Game of Thrones. Size 4, I create it. And my goal here is to ask users which character should be brought back to life. So who should be brought back to life? Help us decide. Okay. And so along the way, as you're building these campaigns, what you'll notice is that we've got the ability to put in descriptive text along the way. We've got contextual help built in. And so every feature that we have comes with its own little mini help section. So show or hide vote counts, for example. I won't get into all the details, but I would urge you to look through each of these little icons and start to learn how each can impact the success of your campaign. We can choose a background image, a logo image, and a banner image to put into our campaign. I'm going to skip this for now, just for sake of time. And I'm going to dive right into the competitor tab. This is where you'll spend most of your time while you put these campaigns together. And so I've got 4 competitors. Here's one. And I simply can drag an item from my desktop right into the interface, click upload for both, and then update. And my second competitor is going to be Caitlin Stark. And you notice I'm skipping the description because this is really just going to be an image-based campaign. Okay, put her competitor data in. Next up is going to be Greywind, the wolf. Okay, upload the images there. Now keep in mind, we're not doing any image resizing at this moment, although that is a feature that's in our backlog. Ned Stark. Okay, and so once I'm done uploading my images, we'll be able to see a preview here in a second. I do want to mention we do offer the ability to drop in an embed code, and this lets you put any type of multimedia file, whether it's a YouTube video or a Vimeo file, or even an MP3, right into the campaign as a competitor. So once I get my competitors all set, I'm going to look at my matchups. Now, I've done some of this work for you, so the system will actually put the matchups together in the order that you created the competitors. And lastly, I'm going to visit my schedule. I want my campaign to start now, and I want it to go until the end of July. I update that. So a couple ways to actually see this in production. You can either click the preview link. Okay, we're still in bracket not started mode, which means that the system hasn't yet updated itself to put this into the current round. So one way that you can make that happen out of the gates is to just click the reset bracket data. Now you just told the system, okay, we're ready to go. Here we are, help us decide. It's got a nice little countdown. I can vote for my favorite competitors, and then I can share the campaign. Okay, so that's great. So we've got it out and running now really quickly. What you'll want to do next is actually test this in whatever property you're going to be running the campaign within. And so whether it's WordPress or Squarespace or HubSpot or any of the other content management systems, or if you even just want to run it on our side, you're welcome to do so. But you grab this little embed code. It's the little red icon. Copy this, paste it into your website, and at that point you're live. Now along the way, you'll actually be able to see real-time stats and analytics as you go. And so you can see here, we've got 2 votes that are captured. You can click on this icon and you can see the tallies as they come in real time. And for our enterprise clients, you can also download the data, which includes all of the lead data, registrations, emails, voting data, predictions, and everything else that you've created. So that's it. That's how you get started with brackets, and reach out at any point if you've got questions. Thanks so much.